is Esper, and I'm back here on Slime Ranger. Hello one, and last time we left off doing a variety of things. Checked out Victor and Mochi and was trying to get our apiaries going. And oh yeah, I wanted to check out the map. Let's get over here out of this ranch area. Let's see if it says if we got all those if those pods we keep finding in Victor's counts towards our map. 13 of 14. I can't remember what was at this thing. I'm wondering our last one is in his area or not. I don't know. And we also need to do some of the wilds. Something we may need to go do. Still work on the wilds a little bit. We're 120 to get the expansion. So like, what, 95 more to go? We can do this, right? Oh, I should have gotten rid of my honey plorts, but it's okay. Ah! You guard one! No! You guys are evil! You guys are like so much meaner than any of the other areas. We still haven't ever seen a mud ball, you know that? Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, the slow thing about this area is you actually have to wait for it to kind of grow back a little bit. If you come back in too fast, they're not grown. My map work here. It brings up the map, but it doesn't bring up if I have any treasure pods this way. Okay, that's 4. Just when I saw some eyeballs. I saw you. I saw you. I don't want you. Chomp on me all the time. You're so mean. Ah, mean. Eat these carrots. That's obviously about to come out. Ah, we're in a den of evil. Anything over here besides a box? Here, person that wanted me to break them all. I got it for you in the midst of being about to die. Uh-oh. I lost a honey plort down there. Do you think I just caused a big ruckus to happen? I might have just let the mutations happen. You know, let's get on the water. I think we started a massacre. I don't know if I care though. They're evil. I have one down. Oh, you're a chicken. Okay. Oh, that way is pretty, but I don't know. There's a rock there. Oh, a box. Where'd my... Here we go. There it is. What is this area? Can I land in here? Ah! It was a new area, I think. Get out of here. We passed by a fruit, but I don't care at this moment. I'm chewing on my head. Be nice to me. Okay. I'm gonna die if I fall in there. I don't want to do that. Okay. We'll just leave that single fruit. Probably the one that falls off into the water. I think I see a fruit down over there. Anything? Yeah, there's one. And there's a teleporter I saw open. I think we'll leave it for a minute. Yeah, fruit. And a treasure pod. What did we get? What did we get? Cotton feather patch. Okay. Ah! I don't know how to get back up there, though. Ah! You over here? Are we... Is this the way we came? We came this way. You guys, get off of me! You're mean! You're brutally mean. It was from this path. Yeah. This is where we found the pod, but I don't think we can get back up there, though. Where I know the teleporter is at. The safety. Okay. I hear more murder happening. Over here, over here, over here. There we go. Give myself a second. Yeah, 19 Cuco Dobos. Ugh, let's take our haul back that we have. There you go. There's a few. We gotta drop our stuff off. This way? This way. Wait, there's stony chicks. Let's throw the chickens over here. Spicy tofu. I really have no care who gets the spicy tofu. Let's see here. Hi everyone! There you go. I keep you guys happy. Here, just eat the tofu. I really don't care. Okay, let's go take our honey porch back and then go to the moss area. Honey plorts. I don't think we have an easy transporter to the moss, do we? Have we got a transporter? Just out of curiosity. I don't know if I put it here, would I? No, I don't have any warp tech. What? Wait a minute. Let's see here. That one took us to the one area. I think this takes us to the this oddball crazy area. Okay. Did we have something back here? We didn't have anything strange back here, did we? No. Okay, let's get over to the moss area then. We need some apiary. We sleep? Let's sleep, otherwise there might be carnage going on. Okay, let's go sleep. Oh, we slept. Let's go to the moss blanket. Dun, 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 dun. Well, since we just walked through here. Watch, we'll have something pop up. I have nothing to chuck at it. I saw a box. You know, like I hit all those boxes. It's okay. I'm allowed to give the person a hard time. She's my sister, so gotta give her a hard time for making a comment about me needing to hit all the boxes. I did have a teleport right there. I can't remember where I have it at though. Grr. Why did I just walk? My brain is tired. Oh well, it was a nice little walk. We searched for boxes. In the hole. You look hungry. Okay. Let's say eat a chicken. Alright, 8 berries. Need you guys. I need you for markets. And for more drones. Thank you. That's quite a bit. Hexacomb. There we go. I keep like waiting for like the ones with weird faces for glitches, but it's not the glitch area. Okay. Go. Did we have one going and we just didn't even pay it any attention last time? Didn't give us enough hexacomb anyway. But we ignored it completely last time. Any others that we missed? No? We got a warp spot right there. I remember we did that, didn't we? We just went the wrong way last time, I think, when we put the warp in, and I'm taking the wrong way again. Turrets, are you doing good? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's where we placed it. Okay, now let's go see if we got enough. We got more fruit here. We probably should go, since we've got excessive amount. We got some. You're still going? How many times is that gotta be? Okay, we're gonna take the mangoes in here because we got the bee hopefully working on keeping incinerator going. There's some food. Okay, let's see what we got down here. You are got an excessive amount. It's okay. I will get a market link and I will set that other bee to work. Okay, let's see what we got. Warp. I want a market. Fabricate. Fabricate. I want 2. Never know. Dun 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 dun. Feeling that last bee needed something. Okay. We're getting so crowded in here. I'm gonna put it back here in this corner though. We are getting crowded. Market link install. Thank you. Okay. Aha! I'm hoping it takes less water to keep you going too. Okay, he's gonna burn stuff and sell plorts. I hope he does good jobs for me. I don't like getting the fire ones. Okay, so we need another plort. What would be a good spot? I don't want you to use up all my... You are very efficient. Just keep feeding. They get very useful plorts. I will go down here. No, I gotta market one down there. So... It'd be smart just to put a market up here, honestly. Maybe not up here, though. I'd have to jump up every time I want to sell stuff. How about over here? That looks like a good spot for market spot. There. Good. You guys, are you sleeping on the job? I'm gonna get rid of these bees as soon as I can. I'm gonna put some double bees in here. As you guys fail me horribly all the time. I feel like we need to go on a chicken hunt at some point. No, I want the painted ones in there, I think. No, don't get out. I feel like everyone's like starved to death half the time. Hey, look, you looking in? Go in. Oh my goodness, you're the chicken hoarders at this point. What the heck is going on here? Gosh. Okay, girls, you girls are like starving to death in here. Take these. Be happy for once, please. My little, beautiful little flower queens. I want you girls to be beautiful and happy and not always dying for food. Because my bees can't keep up. You guys behave or this will be your same fate. Don't you guys look at me like that. Don't! It's your own fault. Alright. Oh, we're very full. We're gonna sell these. Sell all these. We're getting our monies. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. There's like 5 extra slots on here. I wonder if they ever meant to add more. I think I've heard that there was supposed to be 1 or 2 other slimes, but it like didn't work out or something. Okay, let's see here. We have all these. Take the pogo fruit. Okay. I think we're gonna see if we can do Mochi again. Because our character has slept, I know. Let's see. Because it was only gonna take like 2 good runs if we could. Yes! So I believe the requirement is just the character has to sleep, right? Or something like this, like a different day. I still don't know what the green rings are for. I really want to get those slow-mo ones again. That slow-mo thing was awesome. Yes! That's what I want. No! Did I hit a bad spot for the slow field? Everyone's like still running into me. And I did bad because I have like no stuff hardly left. Hopefully I hit some. Blah. What? You're not gonna go through my slow field? And I'm running out. I really need to just keep running with them because I run out of bullets. Ah, give me. No! We didn't get nearly as many as the other times. Ja. Oh well. Dun, dun, dun. Oh well. Oh well. Gotta find our way back. Hopefully we get enough that we can. Might not get enough this turn. But when night time hits, it takes like 59. I don't know if we can get 59. I gotta keep moving this time. This before, while they're still working on filing in. Not yet. Yeah. Oh, what happened? Oh my, I've never did I run out of energy? Why didn't I start flying? Well, I slept, so maybe we should just try that again. Well, you can. I was kind of half hoping it just let me reset. Okay, let's try that again. Hi, Mochi. Do this again. Are they still some running around? Okay. Does my stuff... Okay, I was gonna say, does it recharge? Or I just gotta be slow. Da, 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 da. I'm like running with the one slime. Save one shot for a little later. I feel like we don't have much of a group like running by us. Concentrating, I'm just running. Ugh. We're almost there actually to our amount, I think, that we needed, aren't we? Yeah, I think we got it. As long as they don't fall in the water this time. Yay! I'm out. I bet it's about to ding though. I feel like the timer should be going off soon. I'm out of bullets! Oh, that's not gonna help much. Just show you guys. Doing, doing. Shoot off, these are fun. Ah. Okay. Alright, girl, I think I got what you want. Yeah, we're gonna have enough. Sorry! What the? You collected how many? Well, then I suppose the deluxe coop is now available to you. I would say good luck managing all those chickens, but honestly, you seem to know how to handle yourself. You know, sometimes I feel like this whole planet is a coop, just a pin to keep people far away. Sometimes I feel like my dad didn't send me out here for a special assignment at all. Sometimes I feel like I was sent here to stay out of his way. Just a chicken in a coop. Speaking of chickens, what's a bird brain like you doing hanging around here when there's so much work to do? Let's get back to the task at hand. Get me another batch of Quicksilver plorts and I'll give you a very special reward. Access to this manor and its plorts. My manor would be the only ranch expansion you have that isn't embarrassing. Wouldn't that be nice? Okay, so we have access to the coops, but to get the actual ranch, we need 700. But hey, I really want access to the chicken coops. Where's our chicken coops? Not in here yet. Is it something we gotta make? Probably. I bet it is. Yeah, I bet it is. It's okay. Let's go check it out. I bet it's in here somewhere. Are you making me monies over there? I hope so. My money's up pretty good. I don't know if it's from Mochi or you though. Let's see here. Whoa, B, what's this? What's all this? I don't have water to set you off. So you guys look more than happy and content. Okay, let's see here. Maybe it's in the actual chicken coop thing. I can't remember where she originally said it was going to be at. Deluxe upgrade. A special upgrade designed by Mochi Mouse that doubles the number of chickens you can keep and moves elders out. Okay. It's a big pen. Hello. Okay. We have chickens now. Bigger chicken pen. I know, it's awful. You can see these guys over here. I have 5 or 6 of these guys. Who's still hungry? You're hungry. 3. Who else is cranky at me? Should be one more, right? Everyone good? Or is there one cranky? I think it's him, isn't it? Okay. I think we're good. Okay. Get these in here. Alright, let's go get some water before these guys decide to do some rebelling over here or something. Whoa, hello. You like those mint mangoes. Probably gonna want these actually for the science station since we want to make some more of the drones. I was going for water. I'm like, where am I going? I'm gonna go get water. I need water. Because we want more drones. Replace some of these ones that's a little difficult for me. Since we're going back to science station, let's grab what's over here of... Oh my, you have a full set. Well, that's what happens when you feed them okas. go. So many plorts. We shouldn't run out of those for a little bit. Alright. Oh, we can already make one. Good. We need some more hexacomb though. Enter manifold cubes, royal jellies. Portable water tap. Creates a refreshing freshwater spring. At some point we'll have to start playing with these too. Sometimes you need science stuff and fast. Supply drop. Perfect setup for projects out of the range with the rain and the bugs. Why not? Let's set up a supply drop. I don't know. Let's see. Just set it over here. I'm gonna set up a supply drop. Oh, you're big. I'm curious. Do you give me anything? Or are you just for looks? If you're just for looks, it's fine. Because it was like a decoration thing. Probably shouldn't expect anything extra, but it looked interesting. Alright. I'm going to go take care of one of these bees out here. And we'll test it on them whether or not we pick up the bees or if it breaks the bees. I'm gonna test it out on you guys. Okay. No. Back. I'm gonna pick up. It does pick it up. Good. Install the big one. Hi there. I am gonna have you do 2 tasks. You must collect chickens outside into the auto feeders, and I want you to collect you can tell a specific plort even. Or even specific foods. Pick up. Just get plorts in general. From the port collector to the market. We're gonna activate you. Hopefully you do much better feeding than the other ones did. I do like the coloring, the difference that we have right now. It's kind of interesting. They still like starved. Well, fancy kitty, what do you think? I know. Who knows? We got a little bit here. We need to go to the moss area and see if our stuff is ready, probably. Give me. So I got a single bee, actually, too. I can set it out here to help. Put you by the other bee. Drone. Now, do better than out what you did out there. I want you to get the mint mangoes and take them. Take them from the garden. Give them to the corral. No, not the corral. Into the auto feeders. Activate. You, charge of the mint mangoes. Keep my honeys fed. Pinks? We got pinks. Because my other bee does good on its own. Alright, let's go turn in these plorts. Like a plort collecting day, semi. Alright, now let's get to the moss area. We need to get this way. I'd like to get some more hexacomb. A bomb's away! Ah, it's getting dark. But we do have a turret out here. Not you, cat. Get out here. Okay. I had another one. Or did it break? There's another one right here. Okay, it's gone. Okay. Got a few. Buzz wax. Do we ever use buzz wax, really? Okay. Got a strange diamond with that one. How strange. Okay. Wrong way, right? I'm directionally challenged. I think it's that way, wasn't it? Yeah, it should be that way. Yeah, okay, yeah. There we go. We're back. Go to sleep. Ranch, how are we doing on money now? Not too bad. Let's check our group under here and make sure they've been... Don't need restart. Get you going. Get you going. Okay, I think we're doing okay. You're being kept cleared out, which is good. You guys have a little bit of need going on here. Grab these up before they do. He'll get to you. Don't worry. Don't worry. He'll get in the swing of things. He's getting there. He's figuring it out. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Good job. Feed them. And I got money coming in. Good job. Should check on the quantums over here, shouldn't we? I'm not gonna do all your job. Whoa! What we got going on here? Lemons for days and plorts for days. Might just need a double one over here just to keep you guys the cash flowing. Because you guys bring in money just because there's so many of you getting what you want to eat. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Thank you, Mochi. I think Mochi's starting to warm up to us. I think it just took a bit. She wasn't sure. She was a mad person all the time. Oh my goodness. So much going on here. Okay. This is very much like a plort cleanup day. We're getting money. We'll say it's a money day. We're like trying to clean up our messes and do a little bit of home improvement here. We got extra new bees and stuff. Reminds me, let's see if we got... Not warp. Do we do that one? Yes. I need more manifold cubes. Oh. Well, we're gonna put a bee out. I'm trying to think if I should replace him. I don't want to set him up raiding the chickens or I don't want him out here raiding all my chickens, though, is the issue. Trying to decide. But I could have him doing one here and then selling. So that might be a good idea to do. I'm gonna trash this one, I think. Not trash it, but pick it up. Install you. Okay. I want you to collect lemons from the garden to the auto feeders. I want you also to get the quantum plorts from the port collector into the market. Thank you. Do my job for me. So it's... Oh. He's just dropping all his lemons because I killed him. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You had so many lemons. I'll clean up your mess. I did it. I killed you. I shouldn't have killed you mid-work. There we go. Guys, just love your lemon life over there. These are like dead lemons. Okay. I don't think it would work if we try to do a couple chickens. Oh, look at that cute little blue painted one. Please give me 2. Yes. We're gonna see if we can get up to 10. Okay, we're at 3. It'd be nice if we can get up to 10. Oh! Another good. We're at 4. This is where it's gonna start doing bad, I bet. Oh, we got another one. Another set. Why are we skiing so lucky? I'm waiting for it to just start murdering our roosters. There. Okay. I want to get to 10. I'm at 6. Oh. 7. Oh. Okay. Back to 7. No! Don't murder my roosters. Am I pushing my luck trying to get to 10? No! There we go. We might be pushing our luck to try to get to 10. Okay. Back up to 7. No! Hey. There we go. We're at 6. Back up to 7. Come on, come on. No! 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 Okay. It's like playing the slots machines but with chickens. No! Not saying I've played the slots machines besides like Pokemon. Ah! We're at 5. Oh. Oh, okay, good. It'd be fun if there was like a rare phenomenon where it spit out more than double. Ah! Oh, we're back at 2. See, this is not going well. 7 was like the highest we've been able to get so far. Back up to 4. 5. Oh, 6. 7. Let's shoot it this way. Oh, 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 they come out back at us. That might be cool. No. Oh, okay. We're back at 8. Okay, we're back at 7. Come on. Let's get to 10. We're like cloning and murdering this rooster over and over. Yes. They're like, are they cheering for us over there? I don't know, we might have to give up. It's like 7. Oh, wait. Come on, no. Go in there. We're at 9. We're at 9. One more. Yes, we made it to 10. Okay. Phew. That was stressful. I wish I could just have the bee do that over and over again. That's not something it could be programmed to do, can it? If it is, that'd be awesome. From Coop. Drat! I can't do it. I wish it was. That would have been awesome. If I could just make it sit there and do that. But that'd be probably kind of cheating. Oh, refinery. But no. Market. Okay. Well, we're at time. We got a few chickens out of that. We'll probably do it every once in a while. Oh, it already dispensed several. They're gonna be happy. We're hopefully we can get them more stocked up more than what they had been. But I hope you've enjoyed this episode. It was a little quieter of an episode, but we was getting a few things done here at the house. Oh, he's selling money for us. Yes, maybe we'll get to that 90K soon. But I hope you're enjoying. I will see you all next week in another episode of Slime Rancher. Bye, everyone!